Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Got a Ranger RCI 99N1 here, brand new model from them. They are putting out now a kind of a little brother to the N2 and N4. So this is going to be the 100-watt version. Just took this out of the box, powered it up, and we're going to check it out together. So this is going to be a review, and we're going to go through it. We'll check it, everything, we'll pop the lids, all that good stuff. So right now, it's not converted or anything like that, so I'm not going to do too much testing until I get it converted, but I will just show you that the label's still on it. Just took it out of the box. This is what the back looks like, 3-pin plug. You got your 2 jacks back there, external speaker and PA speaker. Alright. And I will show you what it's doing for power, just so you know out of the box if you did buy one and you got it directly out of the box. So we're going to go into the dummy load. Get it plugged in here. So here it is into the dummy load. And we'll check out, this has now a couple different power settings. So you could do your power here with a high and low, and then you also have a variable power control here. So like I said, it's not converted yet. We're going into the dummy load. Let's just see what it does right out of the box. Okay, so this is going to be with the power switch down and the RF power all the way down. I'm just going to check the carrier. Let's just see. Let the LP catch up there. Looks like 2 watts. Then all the way up is going to be about 5.5. Alright. Switch is up. Power's all the way up. Carrier. Again, these are factory settings. 21 watts, 22. And let's see, give it a chance. About 2 watts again on the low side. So, and we're running at our voltage is 14 volts even. All right. So let's get this thing converted over. Oh, we'll check sideband first too. See what sideband does out of the box. Power all the way up. Switch up. Audio. I'm going to put my mic gain up. Audio check, audio check, audio check. Audio. Audio, audio, audio. Now if you're using noise canceling mic like I'm doing now, I'm using a Ranger RCI 198, you will have to make sure you're right up on the mic to get that audio to fully go through. Audio. So it looks like about 90 on the peak. Audio. Okay. So that's that. Let's get this thing converted. You guys know what I mean by that. And then we'll do some other checks, and we'll take a look at the inside. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so here it is with the cover off. Just thought I'd show you before I power it back on after converting it. So we got 2 RT1s back there. We got 2 RT5s. Everything else looks pretty standard. We got nice power cables there, ferrite. Everything looks good. And also too, what I'm really excited about and happy to see is everything's there for FM mode as well. So just keep that in mind. Okay. All right. So I'm going to get the lid back on it and we'll power it up. Alright, so we're back. We're on the band that most people are going to use this radio on. We'll check the power once again. Again, we haven't touched anything inside. Let's just check our carrier now, all the way up, with the mic gain down. About exactly the same, about 1 watt less. So it's good to know this thing's pretty widebanded to keep you know, that much of a difference, like not even a watt difference, you know, going from 28 whatever we were at down to 27,205. And then let's just check it on low. the low side. Let's see if we lose anything down there. Looks like we gained a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, we gained that watt back. So once this thing is tuned, retuned, you know, for 11 meter, then that'll be right where it needs to be. All right, let's check it on the scope quick. See how it comes out of the factory. I could check that. You know what? Actually, let me check peak power first. Let me check peak power. Audio. I put my mic gain up. Audio. Yeah, there's that 100, 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Nice. We'll put the peak on the bird here. We've got let's see, 250 watt element. Okay. Check our peak on here as well. 10 is going to be 100. Audio. Yeah, right where same as the LP's reading. Audio, just over that 10 mark. Audio. So we're good there. Turn that back off, and like I said, we're going to check it on the scope quick. So there's that. And we'll look at it on the oscilloscope. Okay, there's our carrier. Put the audio into it. I'm in the wrong screen here. Hold on just a second. Okay, on. Whoops, wrong button. There we go. All right, so that's high. That's high power right there. You can see there's our settings. Power up all the way. Mic gains up all the way. All right, slow that down a little. Right there. We'll take it down to low. Which actually, and it's perfect there as well. Could trim a little bit of fat on the negatives there, but that's pretty good. So yeah, we could max out the modulation to 100% for sure. And then looks like, what did I want to tell you? Oh, it looks like this now in the 99N2 and N4, this is an amp switch for the RF deck. This in this radio is just a high-low switch. Okay, so that's all that is. It's just for it'd be like a high-low and basically a General Lee or Connex, something like that. Yeah, so it's a good radio in my book. So for the price and everything, there's really not going to be too much that's going to be able to beat this as far as features and performance, right around that, you know, 4 to 4 1/4 mark. So this is a good option for guys that want to put this in a truck, and you can't run those big radios that draw a ton of current, and a ton of amps. I mean, this one's drawn. So that's the thing. A lot of guys, their antenna system and their power system, they just can't handle the bigger radios. So this gives you another option. Audio, let's check here. Audio, we're on low. Let me put on high. So yeah, not even 7 amps, and we're at 14. It's dropping down to 13.9. So we're good there. Here's sideband. Audio. 5. And again, sideband's going to jump all around because we don't have a carrier. So very cool. I like it. All right, so let's just listen to it over the monitor radio quick. Get that turned on. All right, we're on. Let's see. I'm on 38 up there, so let's get this to 38. We'll do AM. Turn the volume up on that. Okay. See what this thing sounds like. Coming out of that speaker there. Well, the speaker's actually above, but it's hard to see. So let's check it out. We're on AM. Again, we have not tuned this thing yet or anything like that. Audio. 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 2. All right, let's put the echo on. 1 1 2. Turn up that volume just a little bit. 1 2. Yeah, there we go. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. 1 2 1 1 2 3 4 5. Check check. Break break break. So she's got that great audio. I just turned that on, so it's not going to be really a great test for sideband right now. That radio's not warmed up. What we can hear, we know it's going to have to be aligned. Okay. So that pretty much covers it. Again, you got your automatic SWR here. If you flip it over to this switch. Okay, we're on the dummy load right now, so yeah, that pretty much covers it, guys. You got all the good features that you want. You got echo. We could check the talkback. Now again, I'm sure it's not going to do much with the stock speaker. So let's see. Let me get off the monitor channel. 1 2 1 1 1. Now that seems loud to me, but I know some guys, their trucks are real loud if they're putting this in a truck. And it may be a little on the quieter side. We don't know. So here's what the driver extreme external now is plugged in. 1 1 2. Oh, I think I'm in the wrong. Hold on a second. Yeah, I was in the wrong jack. Sorry about that. All right, here's with the driver extreme external speaker now. It's this one right here. 1 2 1 1 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Audio check. Testing, testing. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, definitely nice audio coming out of this thing. And yeah, we could even, like I said, we could get it up, clean up that scope a little bit more, get those, get that pattern a little tighter. But yeah, I mean this thing's gonna do the job, I think, for most. So good deal. All right, so I think that's it for this one for now. I'll have another video on one of these once I get the customer's radio ready that ordered one of these. So then I'll do one on that. But yeah, I just wanted to get this out there and show you guys what this new radio from Ranger is all about. So it fits in, I think, real nice because for those guys that want to get around that triple digit mark and that 100 to 125 watt mark, this is going to do the job. And you can put your carrier pretty much anywhere you want between your variable RF power and your high-low switch here. And also too, you got an all-mode radio. I know it doesn't come that way from the factory, but it can easily be. So we could definitely take care of that FM side of things as well. And we could do high cut filters, clarifier unlocks, 10K switches, all that stuff. So keep that in mind. So yeah, it'll go anywhere and pretty much do anything you need it to do, and be a good little box driver as well if somebody's looking to go that route. But yeah, for the guys that are going to run these mobile, it doesn't draw a ton of amps and it still puts out good power, so that's good. And is it going to need to be tuned in line? Of course, it's not going to be perfect out of the box. You can't expect that, but I think they did a good job. Like I said, I did not touch anything inside except for the conversion. And just wanted to show you guys, what it was kind of doing out of the gate. So, good little radio. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Radio Garage, we're off the key.